What did you guys think of that? I have never done a video or trailer like this ever, so I'm kind of proud about it. Hopefully you guys liked it. I know this is a very short video, but this is like, YouTube's been my creative space where I get to like express myself in the most creative way as I can. And this is what I'm doing. They might be short, but I had a lot of fun editing that. And you guys saw the full version of the actual day. So I took that, found a really good song, mixed music, and then I found the clips, put it in together. So if you guys really liked it, I don't mind doing more of these because I actually enjoyed it so much. Let me know by hitting the like button, give me a bunch of likes, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, leave a comment, show some love. Thank you guys so much, and I guess I'll chat with you guys on Snapchat as always. Peace out, have an amazing day.